Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove seats from your Kia Sedona. We'll cover both the second and third rows, giving you the flexibility to maximize your cargo space. Whether you need to transport large items or simply want a more open interior, this guide will walk you through the process. We'll discuss the necessary tools and provide clear, step-by-step instructions to help you complete the task efficiently and safely. For second-row captain's chairs, the process is straightforward. First, locate the 4 plastic covers concealing the bolts at the base of each seat. Gently pry these open. Next, use a 14mm socket wrench to loosen and remove the 4 bolts. Once all bolts are out, carefully lift the seat. Remember, these seats can be heavy, so consider having a second person assist you with removal to prevent injury or damage. The third-row seats, often featuring a stow-and-go design, first need to be folded into their stowed position. This provides better access to the mounting hardware. You'll find 4 attachment points, 2 14mm bolts and 2 12mm nuts. Use the appropriate wrenches to remove these fasteners. Each third-row seat can weigh around 40 pounds, so be prepared for a substantial lift when removing the entire assembly from your vehicle. When removing seats, it's crucial to keep all bolts and plastic covers organized. A small container works perfectly. Before reinstalling, take the opportunity to thoroughly clean the floor area for a fresh interior. During reinstallation, carefully align the seat anchors with their floor mounts. You should hear a distinct click as they lock into place. Always double-check that all seats are securely fastened and locked before driving to ensure safety for all passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.